Welcome to YouTube. Today on Wheelcraft Studio, we're diving into one of the most thrilling and unexpected entries into the 2026 automotive lineup, the incredible T_9 tank. Yes, you heard that right. A vehicle that not only looks like it rolled straight out of a futuristic battlefield but also carries the performance and innovation to match its name. The T_9 tank isn't just a car, it's a mechanical beast, born from bold engineering and wild imagination. From the moment you lay your eyes on the 2026 T_9 tank, you know this machine is something else. With its low-slung armored body, reinforced exoskeleton frame, and massive all-terrain wheels, it looks more like a sci-fi war machine than a conventional road vehicle. Its design language screams dominance. Up front, it features an aggressive LED lighting signature embedded into a high-strength composite grille. The sharp, angular panels, military-grade body cladding, and raised stance make it look ready to charge into any environment, urban or off-road. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, the T_9 tank roars with a next-generation hybrid powertrain that blends a twin-turbo V8 with electric motors for instant torque and explosive acceleration. This power setup delivers nearly 1,000 horsepower and a mind-bending 1,200 Nm of torque. Whether you're blasting through sand dunes or gliding down the freeway, this tank offers performance that rivals even some of the fastest super SUVs on the market today. Step inside the cabin, and you're transported into what feels like a tactical command center. The interior blends rugged utility with luxury. High-strength materials like ballistic nylon, brushed steel, and carbon fiber are combined with plush leather seating and ambient lighting. The center console features a wide digital display system, integrated drone control interface, and real-time terrain scanning software. There are even thermal sensors and augmented reality navigation. Yes, it's that advanced. Safety. The T_9 tank doesn't just meet the standards, it redefines them. With a reinforced monocoque body, adaptive armor plating, anti-roll tech, and intelligent escape protocols, this vehicle is as safe as it is wild. It's equipped with an AI-assisted defense system, capable of predictive threat assessment and driver guidance, giving the term, driver assistance, a whole new level of meaning. Now you might be wondering, who's this made for? The T_9 tank isn't just a status symbol. It's a statement. Whether you're a collector, an adventure junkie, or someone who simply wants to drive a vehicle that's miles ahead of its time, the T_9 is for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. So buckle up, gearheads. The 2026 T_9 tank is not a concept, it's reality. A reality that's fierce, fearless, and totally unforgettable. If you thought the future of mobility was boring, think again. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because we've got more insane machines coming your way, right here on Wheelcraft Studio. Are you ready to ride into the future? The T_9 tank is waiting.